Okay. So I'm recording now, just as a FYI for you all. All right.
Okay.
Um, I would like for you to scroll down to um, library and resources. There we go. You see where it says Follett Destiny? I want you to click on that.
This.
There you go. All right. Now you're in the Jefferson Academy page. You can hit save if you'd like, so you don't have to go through that all the time. All right, so can you click on catalog, please?
Catalog.
That's it. And then see where it says Destiny Discover on the left-hand panel?
This.
There we go. That's it. Okay, this is where you can find some additional books that you might be interested in reading. So you can continue to scroll down and see where it says ebooks. That's where I would pay close attention to. So go all the way down to ebooks. All right, stop and click the see all icon right above the book Love-ish. There we go. Now from here, this is where all the ebooks that are in the Jefferson collection will pop up. So can you, if I remember correctly, graphic novels, right?
Yeah.
So go to the left-hand panel,
What do you mean, like?
the left panel on the left side, and you have a couple of options. You can, if you have a favorite author, you can select the favorite author. If so, let's think of an author that you might want to search based off of your previous reading, Ranica. So you're going to look for their last name. So go up a little bit. Of narrowing your search is yes, you click on the bands for the alphabet. Okay. So you can choose their author by its last name on the menu and see if they have anything available. What's the author's last name, huh?
O'Neill.
O'Neill. Okay, so may have to keep going up. There we go. Okay, so O'Neill, I don't see anything on O'Neill there. Let's go down a little further. Yeah, so there's nothing there on O'Neill. Um, let's just select a book for, an author just for the sake of time. Go back to up to the top, and we're going to choose a really popular author. And his last name is Patterson. So click on the P's, the PQRS. Very good. And scroll down to James Patterson. Oh, let me let Amari back in. He's having problems. There we go. All right. So PATT, you might want to click see all at the bottom. Keep going down. Okay, click on see all PQRS just to expand the list a little bit further. Okay, so scroll down some so you can find Patterson. There's James Patterson. So he has 6 books there that are in ebook format that you could possibly check out. So, Middle School by How I Survived Bullies and Broccoli. You notice in the upper left-hand corner, it's going to let you know if the book has been checked out or if it's in. It's in. So what you can do is click on Open Book at the bottom, and you can read a little synopsis, or either you can read like the first couple of pages of the book. And if you find that you like it, then you can check the book out for 2 weeks. So if you click on the right-hand side of the screen, you can advance the pages. Very good. And you can continue to read the book. So continue to advance the pages. And I want everybody to see what it looks like. Okay, now keep going. I have students in this class that are like me, and they like using the black background. Keep going to another page. So I'm going to show you guys how you can change that. All right, so stop. Don't click anything else. Click one more. Go to the next page. You can set up your reading experience in a very unique way, and I'm about to show you that in a minute. Click the next page. Okay, perfect. Stop right there. If you take your cursor and go to the top of the page, that tray that just disappeared will reappear again. Okay. You see the book with the check mark in the middle of it? If you click on that, what that will do is give you the option of browsing the book or checking out the book. So we're not going to do anything just yet. Just want to show you what the tools are, okay? If you go over where you see that large capital A, lowercase a, click on that. And I'm showing you all this because I know y'all like this. Some of y'all like to use the theme of a black background to read. So if you go all the way to the bottom of the page, you can make the background black, grayscale, white, tan. It's your choice. So it's for your reading, preferences. If you want to make the text smaller or larger, and you see Rainica is already making those adjustments, you can use that little toggle bar and you can make it larger, you can make it smaller. See where it says page layout? You have an option. It could be a double page with what we see right now, or if you click on single page, it'll be one page at a time. Personally speaking, I like using one page at a time because I can see it a little better and I don't have to zoom in as much. Okay. Let's say you like this book. Click on the check mark, the box with the book with the check mark going through it. Left click. There you go. Let me admit Amari back in. He's still having problems. Do a left click on that book with the check mark going through it again, Ranica. There we go. Click on check out book. Now you've checked this book out. You keep it for 2 weeks. If you want to return it early, I recommend you do, because another student may want to check it out behind you. And then if you want to return the book, you can return a book that way, or don't click anything. Don't click. Check it out again one more time, honey. All right. So, it kicked you out completely. Okay. So check the book out and hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner. Go down a little further. There we go. Okay. Click the 3 bars next to Destiny Discover in the upper left-hand corner. And if you ever wanted to see what books you have checked out, click on the checkout button right there, and it'll tell you what books you have checked out. So, ooh, girl. Okay, yeah, that's from, the pandemic. So don't worry about that. But right there, that's where you have your books, ebooks that you've checked out. If you want to return it, you can. You just click on return. But automatically at the end of the 2-week mark, the system will check the book back in. But if you get done with a book early, I highly encourage you to return it early for the next student. So hit those 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner, and you can click on Destiny Discover. I'm going to save this recording because this is how you can use Destiny Discover. And one more thing I'd like to show you, if you go down the page a little further, you have other options too. You can listen to listen to books on tape. Or you can listen to audiobooks. Keep going down, honey. Don't click on that. I'm just going to show one more thing before you go. You can listen to audiobooks. That's another option for you. Keep going. And then the interactive books were really a lot of fun because it sounds like you're in a theater and they have music and everything. I don't think you toggled on your sound when you shared your screen, Rainica. But if you were to click on Secret Weapons, I use that book as a demo all the time. It sounds like it's a television show. It's really just that nice. Okay, so very good job. These are the options that you have available to you. You have Sora, you have Destiny Discover, and now you have and you also have Epic Books. So you have a lot of reading that you can engage in. I want you all to really do your due diligence with your seventh grade teacher and read as much as you can because it's going to help you in the long run. Okay.